I am the owner and founder of Lash Tribe. We help create successful and fully booked lash artists all over the world with the help of our online and in-person training programs. It's almost like I am there with you in the room looking over your shoulder. So you basically just grab your phone or your iPad, sit it next to you while you are practicing, going through all the modules in your own time. You also have the option to order a kit that goes with the course at a 20% discount, because once you have signed up to any of our classes, whether it's this online course or any of our in-person training programs, you are eligible to receive 20% discount for life on any of our professional eyelash extension products. We also have guest experts in quite a few of the modules in our separate online courses, which will offer their expertise. So with this, as well as any other of our online training courses, you will receive me on film, on camera within all of your lessons. I really hope to see you on the inside to any of our courses very, very soon. And until then, take care and don't forget to sparkle.